Accidentally bought a wrong-sized shoes. No worries, we will discuss on how to wear shoes that are too big. Everyone knows the feeling. You spot the perfect pair of shoes and go to try them on, but they're just too big. Thankfully, whether they're oversized in one specific area or just giant overall, there are plenty of tricks you can use to wear big shoes without looking silly. Firstly, easier methods. Wear thicker socks or multiple pairs. 2. Stuff the toes of your shoes. In a pinch you can use cheap wadded-up material to fill in the space at the tips of your shoes. 3. Use an insole. An insole is a soft pad that sits under your foot in the shoe to provide cushioning and support. 4. Use ball of foot pads. Sometimes, adding full insoles to a set of shoes makes them uncomfortable or awkward to wear. 5. Use a set of heel strips. Another partial padding option along the lines of insoles and ball of foot pads are thin strips of padding. 6. More involved methods. Try shrinking the shoes with water. 7. Use an elastic band to constrict the shoe. This trick is handy if you have some experience with sewing. 8. See a cobbler or shoe repair professional. When all else fails, you can always see a professional. 9. Things to remember. Try to maintain your posture when wearing big shoes. 10. Be careful of tripping over your toes. Oversized shoes are usually slightly longer than what you're used to wearing. 11. Don't wear shoes that fit poorly for prolonged walking. 12. You can always replace shoes that are significantly bigger than what you're used to.